If you're wondering how to extract data from Asana, stick with me for the next few minutes because I'll break down the fastest, most effective way to pull data out of your projects in Asana, whether it's tasks, deadlines, or any other key information you need. Now, if you're looking for an easy and totally free way to get started with Asana and extract data, you can use the software completely free from the link below. And don't forget, there's an exclusive bonus waiting for you there, so make sure to grab it. Let's dive right into it. First thing you need to know is that Asana offers a couple of options for exporting data. The simplest way is by using CSV exports, which you can easily download from the platform. If you're in a project or a task list, just look for the Export/Print option under the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From there, select CSV. This will download a file with all your tasks, assignees, due dates, and other task details. Next thing, if you want to do something a little more advanced, consider using Asana's API. This option is great for more complex needs, like pulling data into custom reports or syncing Asana data with other apps you're using. With the API, you can get specific details such as task status, project progress, and even subtasks. This can get technical, so if you're not familiar with coding, you might want to work with a developer or use a third-party tool that integrates with the Asana API. The third thing I want to mention is Asana's reporting features. While it's not an export in the traditional sense, Asana's advanced reporting can give you a real-time snapshot of your project data. To use this, head to the Reports section on the sidebar and you'll be able to create custom views. You can then export these reports using the CSV function as well. It's a great way to visually filter through tasks and get exactly what you need for your business or personal projects. Next up, if you need data extraction for a broader scale, you can use third-party integrations. There are several apps out there like Zapier, which can connect Asana to tools like Google Sheets, Excel, or even a CRM. These integrations can automate the process of pulling and organizing your Asana data, making it even easier to work with. The fifth thing worth mentioning is custom fields. If your Asana tasks are using custom fields to track specific data points, you can export these along with other task information. When you export your data to a CSV, the custom fields will be included as long as you've set them up in your Asana tasks. And finally, keep in mind that if you want to extract large amounts of data from Asana over time, there are also premium tools available that streamline the extraction process. These tools can help you automate and schedule data extraction so that you're always up to date with minimal effort. To summarize, extracting data from Asana can be done by a simple CSV exports, the Asana API, custom reports, third-party integrations, and even premium tools for advanced automation. Remember, if you want to try Asana for free and get exclusive bonuses, you can click the first link in the description. You'll get an extended free trial, which is perfect if you're looking to test out all these features without spending a penny. That's it for this quick guide on how to extract data from Asana. Keep in mind these methods, and you'll be able to pull out exactly what you need from your Asana workspace.